Is it time to buy some crypto? Hello, everybody. My name is Sanad, and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And now let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, over the last couple of weeks, the entire crypto market has experienced an amazing rally. Bitcoin is over $24,000. Ethereum is over $17,000. Solana, Cardano, pretty much everything is going up right now. And a lot of people are enjoying this recovery that we are having. But should you start buying crypto right now? Is it a good time? Also, guys, a lot of people are wishing right now that they bought the dip when it was at around $17,000, including myself. I thought we were going to go even lower as the year went on. And around November, December, January is where I was going to start jumping back into the market and start dollar cost averaging into projects that I really like. But right now it seems the rally has started a little bit early. So this rally that we are seeing has been going on for the last couple of weeks. Just a couple of days ago, the Feds increased interest rates again. Normally when the Feds raise rates, the stock market crashes and then crypto crashes as well. But this time around, it did the total opposite. It continuing rallying even more. One other thing that I would like to mention, in the month of August, there won't be another rate hike. So we have literally a full month to continue this rally that we are having right now. So that is definitely good news for the long term. Also, this rally feels a little bit different. We have had many rallies in this bear market, but every single one that we had, we pretty much knew that it was just a quick rally before we had even lower. But this one, in my opinion, feels just a little bit different. But honestly, I do think this is just another bear market rally, and we are going to head even lower. The market has been selling the entire year. There has been a lot of negative events, a lot of people losing a ton of money, a lot of people exiting the space, and all we had were mini rallies inside of this bear market. I think this could potentially be the biggest bear market rally so far. Also, inflation might have peaked. And if this is confirmed in the next couple of weeks or the next month or so, I believe this can cause an even bigger rally in the crypto market. Personally, I did feel some FOMO this week, and I did invest $5,000 into KuCoin. Right now, my $5,000 investment is pretty much $5,000. Hopefully, over the next couple of weeks, the price of KuCoin will go even higher, and I can potentially execute this trade and make some profits. And now let's quickly cover some news that could potentially give more momentum to this rally. A sample of 2,000 senior executives from many industries ranging from electronics to fashion to transportation and food and beverage. Nearly 75% of them plan to accept either cryptocurrency or stable coins within the next 2 years. This is definitely good news, and this can drive even more adoption to crypto. So instead of being a crypto hodler, you can be a crypto spender. Also, FTX wins full approval to operate crypto exchange in Dubai. FTX stated that they will start by offering regulated crypto derivative products and trading services to institutional investors in Dubai, as well as operate a non-fungible token marketplace and provide custodial services. Also, the first Charles Schwab crypto ETF is set to launch next week. Charles Schwab's first crypto fund has lower expense ratio than similar products issued by BlackRock and Fidelity. Also, my favorite crypto exchange, KuCoin, is debuting their USDT dominated NFT ETF. In my opinion, this is a great idea. Now you'll be able to own fractional shares of these expensive NFTs, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club. This is definitely a good move by KuCoin. As you guys can see, there's a lot of positive things happening in crypto, but a lot of it gets drowned down by all the negative stuff that is happening in crypto. We are in a bear market, and a lot of times, even if the news is very good, it doesn't move the market. I'm happy to see that there's a lot of positive development happening in crypto. Hopefully this rally continues and we get to make some money. But guys, if you are looking to sell, this might be the perfect time before we head even lower. Also, guys, let me know in the comment section below, are you buying crypto right now? Was 17,000 the bottom? Are we about to see a massive recovery? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and see you in the next video. Peace out.